Hi guys, welcome to my channel. Are you looking for the best iPhone charging cables? In this video, we will look at some of the 5 best iPhone charging cables on the market. Before we get started with our video, we have included links in the description. So make sure you check the user to see which one is in your budget range. Studying at Top 1. 100 PCS 1M Type-C Micro 8-pin USB charging cable. Introducing our 100 pack of 1M Type-C Micro 8-pin USB charging cables, perfect for your iPhone, Xiaomi, and Redmi Note 9. These durable cables support quick charging, ensuring your devices power up fast and efficiently. Built with high-quality materials, they are designed to withstand daily use and resist tangling. Each cable delivers reliable data transfer and charging speed, making them an essential accessory for home, office, or travel. Ideal for bulk purchases, these versatile cables cater to all your charging needs with compatibility and convenience. Keep your devices powered and ready with our top-notch USB charging cables. Top 2. 100 PCS Micro USB Cable Fast Charging Type-C Phone Charger. Get the ultimate charging solution with our 100 PCS Micro USB cable set. Designed for fast charging, these cables are compatible with iPhone, Samsung, Xiaomi, and other devices. Each cable supports data transfer and comes in various lengths, 0.25 m, 1m, 2m, and 3m, offering flexibility for any situation. Whether you need a short cable for your desk or a long one for your car, this pack has you covered. Made with high-quality materials, these cables are durable and tangle-free. Ensure your devices are always powered and connected with our versatile USB-C and micro USB cables. Top 1/2A USB Data Phone Charging Cable for iPhone. Experience reliable and efficient charging with our 1/2A USB Data Phone Charging Cable. Designed for iPhone models 5 through 13, including Pro, X, XS Max, XR, C, and Plus variants, this white charging line offers superior performance. Whether you're charging an iPhone 11, 12, or 13 Pro, or an older model like the 5S or 6S, this cable ensures your device powers up quickly and securely. Made from high-quality materials, it provides durability and consistent data transfer, making it a perfect accessory for home, office, or travel. Keep your iPhone charged and ready with our premium charging cable. Top 4. 8-pin Type-C Micro USB Data Sync Fast Charging Charger Cable. Discover the versatility and efficiency of our 8-pin Type-C Micro USB Data Sync Fast Charging Charger Cable. Compatible with a wide range of devices including Android smartphones, iPhone, Xiaomi, and Huawei, this cable ensures quick charging and seamless data transfer. Crafted from high-quality materials, it offers durability and a tangle-free design for hassle-free use. Perfect for both home and travel, this cable meets all your charging needs with its universal compatibility. Keep your devices powered and data synced effortlessly with our reliable USB charging cable. Top 5. 100 PCS 1M 3-foot Type-C USB-C Micro Data Charger Cable. Upgrade your charging setup with our 100 PCS 1 meter 3 feet Type-C USB-C Micro Data Charger Cable set. Perfectly designed for Samsung S20, S22, Note 10, HTC, and other compatible devices, these cables ensure fast charging and reliable data transfer. Each cable is 1 meter, 3 feet, long, providing the ideal length for various uses at home, in the office, or on the go. Crafted with high-quality materials, these cables are durable, tangle-free, and built to last. With this bulk pack, you'll always have a dependable charging solution at hand for all your devices.